guys, welcome to my channel. I had a very tiring but fantastic day yesterday, so I would like to share with you all my experience from the excursion. But first I have to wash my face and brush my teeth. I'm back! So I'm done washing my face and brushing my teeth, and now I'm having my coffee here in my tumbler. Thank you, Miniso, although not sponsored. So yesterday we did excursion. We woke up so early. So we went to the restaurant, grabbed a bite to eat. I had cereals and bananas and some fruits.
I'm just finishing my breakfast and we're off to the beach.
Today we are going for excursion. We'll be seeing dolphins, go on a little island hop, I think, and do snorkeling. So it will be a fun day off today. So let's have fun. Let's go. Ta-da! So we have to sail from here up to this point to see the dolphins. We finally arrived to the first stop to see the dolphins. Although the weather wasn't on our side, we still saw a lot of boats who are also doing the same excursion as ours. So we waited for a few moments for the dolphins to come and say hi to us. And then it started to rain. It was windy. I was feeling so cold. We waited for a few more moments and then the dolphins showed up. We saw one group of dolphins swimming around.
Jump, 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 jump. Look down, look down. Look down.
After the dolphin sightseeing, which was so fun actually, although we didn't jump into the ocean, but as we were sailing, there was a sudden turn out of events. The weather became a little bit sunny, It became sunny, and then we reached the Blue Lagoon. The water was so nice. It was clear. We did snorkeling. It was fun. The water was so clear. We saw different species of fish. Snorkeling. So many cute fishes down this little thing. That's all. tried how waterproof my Huawei P30. It's an amazing phone, it's an amazing invention. The water was so clear, saw different species of fish. And then we had lunch on board. Everything was barbecue. There's tuna, and then we had this amazing local dessert, a banana. We topped it with coconut sugar. It was amazing. I loved it so much. So, and then after lunch, we did a little meeting. The captain of the boat asked us if we want to go see the big turtles. That location for those big turtles is in the north, so we went back to the north.
Let's go.
Now in the dormitory, took shower, feeling fresh. Need to find something to eat for dinner, so let's go. I was actually meaning to share this experience with you guys last night, but then this happened. In general, the experience was amazing. I didn't really see the dolphins clearly because the weather was so gloomy, but we saw this, and this. And thank you guys for viewing to my vlog. I'll see you again to my next vlog for another adventure and food treat. See ya!